Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I've come with a new video that is really very interesting and very useful to you. So in this video I'm just going to share to you how you could utilize your time for learning English language. And you know that if you will give 5 minutes for speaking English language, then your life could be changed for practicing part, or you could be a good learner, you could be a good speaker of English language. Definitely this video is really going to be very helpful to you. So first of all, I hope you are doing great and learning English language in a great way. I am also doing great and learning English language in a great way with you. So do you know that if we give 5 minutes daily to learn English language, to speak English language, then definitely we could achieve a good improvement in ourselves for learning English language. As I have already mentioned in every video that consistency is really very important. You know that why I am just telling in every videos, because I am knowing the importance of consistency. I just think that if you will consistent towards your speaking English language, then definitely you could be a good speaker. You can speak a fluent English, and you could be, if you are confident towards your speaking English language, then definitely a time will come you could achieve a good improvement in yourself. So first of all, the thing is that you don't have to fear, you don't have to give up, you don't have to lose your hope. You just have to think that I am determined and I have to speak English language in a better way, in a great way. And definitely you just have to think that if I will give 5 minutes daily for practicing part, for learning English language, then I could achieve a good improvement in myself. Don't think that if I will not practice English language, then I could be a good speaker, I can speak English language in a better way. Definitely for doing or for achieving something, there is needed to do a lots of sacrifices. And definitely most of the people, they just do not maintain their consistency. That's why they are unable to speak English language, and that's why they are just demotivated towards learning English language, because they don't get any benefit. And if you are really not consistent towards your learning English language, towards your speaking English language, then definitely it will be very demotivation for you, that you are not learning anything, you are not achieving the good improvement of speaking English language. And definitely all the people, they have the dream to know English language, dream to learn English language, and to speak like a fluent speakers, to speak like a native speaker. They really want to speak like that. So I could say that you have also seen the English importance. English is really very important, and nowadays I could say that if we want to survive in this environment, then definitely there is needed a English language to be known by all the people. So I could also prefer to you that it took me 2 years to complete my journey of the English language, and now I am better, but I could not say that I am that much better to speak English language. But I could say that I am just practicing and I am just improving my communication skills day by day, so that I could be a good speaker at time. For learning anything, for achieving anything, it takes time. If you just think that I will get this thing in one day, then definitely it is not like that, because all the people, they suffer from lots of problems. If you just think that I will get these things suddenly, or now I will get, then do you think that it will be, your life will be so much exciteful? It's definitely not like that. All the people, they get suffer in their life. So for learning English language also, and if you really want to achieve the improvement in your English language, then there is needed to give the time for speaking English language, for practicing English language, so that you could able to speak very well English language. Do you know why I'm just telling this kind of thing? Because I had also been suffered this kind of problem. Do you know, I just share experience, I just share my experience to all the people, because I just think that if I will share my experience towards you, then definitely you could learn something new from me. And definitely I'm just telling to you all, so that you could get a good knowledge from me, that how to catch up, how to start up the journey of the English language, so that I could be better in that field, to know English language in a better way, in a good way. But do you think that if we don't practice anything, if we don't give time in speaking English language, if we are not consistent towards speaking English language, then we could achieve so do you think that you could learn something new if you will don't give time in speaking English language, in practicing with the peoples? So it is not like that. You have to give the time for speaking English language, for practicing English language. and you have to give the time. Most of the time you should have to give for practicing part. If you will give daily 5 minutes or 10 minutes for practicing English language, then definitely you could achieve a good improvement in yourself. And if you don't believe, then just start to try this kind of things. If you will start to try this kind of thing, then definitely you will start to believe this kind of thing, that definitely consistency is very important for us for speaking English language or for doing anything. If you want to achieve your success, if you're also having some goals to follow that kind of things, then just think that if I will be consistent toward that, towards my work, towards the things that I'm doing, then definitely no one will stop you to achieve your success. So you just have to think that what you are doing, and do you really want to improve yourself, then definitely you have to give 5 to 10 minutes for practicing part, for a speaking part, then only you could speak well English language. I was also following this kind of things. That's why I'm just explaining towards you, I'm just sharing this kind of things towards you, so that you could be able to speak in a better way. And I was also consistent towards my speaking English language, towards learning English language. That's why I'm better. And still I just think that now I'm in class 11th and I should have the 2 or 3 years to complete my journey of the English language, and definitely I could speak very well. I could be a good speaker. Do you know why I'm just telling to you? Even though I'm also not speaking very well English language, even though I'm also not able to convey the message towards you, in front of you, rather than expecting or accepting all those things, I'm just thinking that yeah, it's okay, I should not give. So you don't have to forget this kind of thing, and you have to follow this kind of thing. Then definitely a time will come, you could speak in a better way, in a glorious way, and you could see a good improvement in yourself. So thank you guys, I will meet in the next video.